Welcome back, everybody, to this spicy channel. Of course, I don't know which platform you may be watching it on, and I don't know what channel you may be watching it on. I got a few channels, but if you can find me, you found me. So you got me on this channel. That's the channel you need to have me on. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to a guy, man. He's very inspirational. His name is Johnny Small Pepper. The guy don't really do a lot of hot stuff like this too much, but he got a positive vibe and give off positive messages. Check him out if you get a chance. I'll leave a link to his link to him in my description. But without further ado, I got my lovely daughter right here, and we're going to try the Cornferno. It's supposed to be a spicy popcorn. We'll see how spicy it is.
It won't be spicy.
I'll leave the ingredients in the description too. I'm not gonna go ahead and go over all that right now, because we ready to taste this stuff. I mean, it's been in our face like, eat me, eat me, eat me. And then plus, I think it's after midnight, so I'm a gremlin, so I can't eat after midnight. It say don't feed when I was born after midnight. But let's go ahead and try this puppy. And I'll let you go ahead and choose your pain first.
Okay.
One.
Oh, well, how many am I doing?
Hey, that's your pain. You can do how many you want.
A handful?
Hey, I'm going for it. I mean, I don't know. But, we just seeing if it's hot or not. Oh, you want to sing the song? No, she don't want to sing the song. Is it hot or not? Should we pump it or dump it? Is it hot or not? Should we pump it or dump it? Let's see what we're going to do, folks. All right. Now, I probably can't get all this in my mouth, but I'm going to try to put as much as I can in my mouth.
Do that.
Hey, there we go.
It's got that nice sizzle to the tongue.
You got a nice little spice.
If you swallow too fast, you will cough.
Yeah, I almost coughed because of breathing it in when I was getting it.
You will.
But what I love about it, it's like a party on your tongue. I got another video. I don't know if y'all gonna see it. It's like a party in your tummy. It's like your tongue get to dancing because
actually,
you got the spiciness, you got the saltiness, and then you got the sweetness. I mean, it's like a party for the mouth and the tummy, man.
It's a balance.
Try this popcorn, even just for a snack if you haven't tried it yet. Don't even worry about the heat because it got a little heat, but the party is on eating this. This here is a pump. We're going to pump this one all the way to the Himalayas.
I think if I eat a handful, you're going to cry, though, because I will.
You probably cry. I ain't going to cry. But this is a winner. Go ahead and try the Ferno corn.
Kind of a weird
The Cornferno, the hottest popcorn in the world. I'm on a mission to see if it's the hottest popcorn, but folks, it's great. Give it a try. Stay tuned for them shout outs. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Oh, no. I couldn't.
I like it.
I couldn't do that.